Hi, I have in front of me here a router. Basically, the specifications on this is on the Wi-Fi part, it offers 150 meg wirelessly, and if we looked at the ports on the back, which is going to turn over here, it offers 100 meg on the 4 connections there. So basically, the reason we're stocking it here is just a replacement router. So if somebody just wants to buy a router to replace the broken router, etc. These ones here are very competitive. They're actually manufactured originally for Sky, but they'll work with various systems, and they're manufactured by Sagem. So let's just come along here and look at the things. So we have the actual box that comes in here. We have our telephone connections here. We also have our 1.5 meter Ethernet connections here. With a little specification sheet and just various different pieces of information here. And then we just have our filters, which you can see here. We have a little stand here, which if we wanted to mount this on the side, we could actually stand on it there and have it freestanding. And the final thing to note here is there's a power unit here. So the output in this is 12 volts, 750 milliamps, so 0.75 of an amp. And then we'll just move on to the main event here, which is the actual router here. So what I might actually do for this one is I'll just move forward here and come to the front just to demonstrate here. So let's just look at the key features on it here. So you can see there's a little LED display in it here, etc. If we just look onto the side here, this is where we could mount directly in to mount it on the side. And if we just look in here, we just feed in our ADSL line here, and then we have our 4 hardwire outputs here. We have a reset button here if we need to reset our router, which is the on-off button here. And we have our power input here, so it's marked as 12 volts, 0.7 amps there, so it's okay to use a slightly overspec power unit. And then very handily on it has the WPS thing here. So this is if we want to sync this onto a device without using password or wireless device, etc. We can just press this button. Obviously do the same on the other device and just sync in directly onto it here. So it's just a nice product for us to add on because we were able to get them at very competitive prices. And you know, from time to time, people do actually need to replace their router. Be able to just log on, get one of these sent out directly to them is suitable, and it sits pretty well with the range of networking products, etc. we have. So that's it anyway, an overview of the 4-way or 4 output router that we have on freetv.ie.